So you've got a Credit One American Express card, and you're wondering a circumflex euros. Does this thing even have a credit limit increase? Short answer, yes, it does. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, let's understand what we're working with. The Credit One Premier American Express card starts with a minimum limit of $300. But that's just the starting point. If you use your card responsibly, you can absolutely get a higher limit. Credit One has two ways they give limit increases. First, automatic increases a circumflex euros every 6 to 12 months. If you've been paying on time and keeping your balance low, they might just bump you up without you even asking. Second, you can request one yourself. Here's how to request a credit limit increase with Credit One. Option 1, a circumflex euros, log into your online account at creditonebank.com. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then click Credit Line Increase. You'll need to enter some updated income information, then Submit. Most decisions come back in just a few seconds. Option 2, a circumflex euros, use the Credit One mobile app. Same process, just on your phone. And Option 3, a circumflex euros, call customer service directly at 1-877-825-3242. Have your account info ready. Now, here's what actually matters for getting approved. Number 1, a circumflex euros, pay your bill on time for at least 6 months straight. Late payments are a red flag. Number 2, a circumflex euros, keep your credit utilization low. That means using less than 30% of your available credit. Number 3, a circumflex euros, update your income if it's gone up since you first applied. Higher income means you can handle more credit. One thing to keep in mind, a circumflex euros, don't request a limit increase more than once a year. Multiple requests in a short period can actually hurt your chances and might even result in a hard inquiry on your credit report. Also worth noting, a circumflex euros, Credit One is different from American Express directly. Amex has its own limit increase system, but since your card is issued by Credit One on the Amex network, you follow Credit One's rules for limit increases. So does Credit One by American Express have limit increases? Yes, absolutely. Pay on time, keep your balance low, and request through your online account. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more credit card tips. See you in the next